Hello everyone. If you are using your Microsoft Edge browser and you are not logged in with your account, most of the times without logging in with your account, when you visit website, bookmarks, or visit a lot of websites, and when you try moving that same email or account to a different PC, mostly you tend to lose all the history of whatever website you visited or bookmarked. So in this video, I got you covered. I'm going to show you how to log in with your email or Microsoft account onto your Edge browser, such that when you visit or bookmark any website and you are moving to a different PC, once you logged onto that PC, definitely you are going to be having all that history, the bookmarks and whatever website that you visited. So first thing for us to do is that let's check to see how to log in with our account. Right, so on this three dot on the Edge browser here, click on this three dot here and now go to settings. You can see we are using a local account here, and if you click on this to check this, you can see that it's profile 1. And again, if you go into the PC settings, go into the PC settings and now go to accounts, you can see that it's a local account. So let's see how to log in with our Microsoft account on this. Now for you to be able to log into with your Microsoft account, just as we've gone to the three dot and come to the settings, now you click on profile here. Under the profile, you now have this here. So you just click on this, add a new account, and then you sign in. Right, so sign in and just enter your email. Right, so now click on sign in. So you can see we have been signed in. Now the reason why it's signed into my account automatically is that I have signed in before with this browser. That is why automatically it didn't request for my password to sign in, because the password manager for the browser has saved my password for this email already. So that's why it didn't request for my email to be inputted. Right, so now that our email is being signed in, now if you visit any website or bookmark any website, just as you can see, as I've bookmarked any website, once you just log out from this browser and then you log into that PC, definitely all these bookmarks and history all going to be moved to that PC. That is just how easy and simple it is to log in with your Microsoft account in your Edge browser. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.